rings in the light and a filter on soul. 3 chords on a cheap control. Reverb heavy, confidence boxed. Linking bio, hearts unlocked. Comment section up in flame. OMG, queen from faceless names. Everybody's a world champion on live. Standing in the kitchen like their sign. Little auto-tune and a backing track. Suddenly they're platinum, no looking back. Everybody's a world champion now, with a keyboard stand and a power vow. While I'm sitting here tuning strings, wondering when this became world championship thing. Same old cover for the 5th time. Same white smile, same punchline. Can you play it again? Sure I can. 3 damn chords and a borrowed plan. In the glitter and the borrowed light, there's a few who actually fight, but they drown in flash and stage applause, while the algorithm loves the gloss. Everybody's a world champion on live, but some stand steady when it's stripped and dry. No filter glow, no fake applause, just the room and what it was. Soft light on a borrowed face. Perfect angle, perfect grace. 3 small chords in a polished room. Echo dressed like perfume. Hearts go floating through the air. Names appear from everywhere. Silver words on glowing glass. Clap emojis falling fast. Everybody's a world champion on live, in a rented kind of shine. Little shimmer, little flame, big applause without a name. Somewhere under neon blue, there are hands that bled for truth. Callous fingers, quiet tone, playing to a room alone. No bright ring around the eyes, no disguise in pixel skies. Just a voice that cracks and stays.